Using a food thermometer is essential for properly reheating leftovers and cooking raw meats to their recommended internal temperatures. Here's how to ensure you're using a food thermometer properly for accurate readings. Once you choose the best thermometer for your needs, verify it's working properly and calibrate if necessary. For me, I prefer a digital thermometer for timeliness. Since the science used between food thermometers can differ, it's imperative to understand how to properly insert the thermometer you're using into the different foods that you cook. When in doubt though, always place the probe of the food thermometer into the thickest portion of the food you're cooking or reheating. When cooking larger items like a whole chicken, turkey, or roast, always check multiple sections to ensure the recommended internal temperature is reached throughout. For more tips to help you succeed in the kitchen, visit bigY.com. Until next time, be well.